Namaskar, dear students, welcome. Today I am going to take a class on double integration. आज एक double integration का नया क्लास करने जा रहा हूँ. Today I shall solve some problems on double integration. इस प्रॉब्लम को देख लीजिए आप. दो इंटीग्रेशन है 0 to root over 4 plus x square. What does it mean? It is y. Y equal to this and x equal to this. What should we do? X equal to 0 to 2. Integrate this with respect to y. With respect to y, treating x as constant. 4 plus x square. dy divided by 4 plus x square plus y square and dx. Integrate this with respect to y, treating x as constant. If it is constant, if x is constant, then 4 plus x square is constant. Then what will be this integration? We know that 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Treat this is as constant. What is this? 4 plus x square. 4 plus x square means root over 4 plus x square whole square. This is equal to x equal to 0 to 2. Root over x square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a. 1 by a means root over 4 plus x square. Tan inverse y by root over 4 plus x square. 4 plus x square. And it will be 4 plus x square. Y equal to 0 to this and this. You will get this one. Now put values of 4 plus x square. This is equal to integration x equal to 0 to 2. 1 by 4 plus x square root over 1 by root over 4 plus x square. It will be put tan inverse root over 4 plus y square by 4 plus y square. This will be tan inverse 1. It will be tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 dx. This is equal to, what is tan inverse 1? Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. This is 0. X equal to 0 to 2. 1 by root over 4 plus x square pi by 4 minus 0 dx. Pi by 4 minus it. This is equal to pi by 4. What is this integration? 1 by root over x square plus x square. 1 by root over x square plus x square is equal to log of x plus root over x square plus x square. Log x plus root over x square plus 4. X square plus x square. This is 0 to 2. 0 to 2. This is equal to pi by 4 log 2 plus root over 2 square plus 4. Right, root over 2 square plus 4. This minus log 0 plus this is equal to root over 4. You may write like this. Now, from this is equal to pi by 4 log 2 plus root over 8 means 2 plus root 8 means 2 root 2 divided by 2. Log of root 4 means 2. 2 plus root 8 means 2 root 2. This is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 log of root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1. This is the answer of the double integration. This will be the answer of the double integration. We have solved one problem. Let us try to solve this problem. Let us try to solve this problem. What is this? This is equal to root over 1 minus y square means this is x, it will be y. Y equal to 0 to 1. X equal to 0 to root over 1 minus y square for y dx and it will be dy. Dx, dy. This is equal to y equal to 0 to 1 with respect to x. Integrate with respect to x. Treat y as constant. Treat y as constant. Therefore, it will be 4yx. 4yx. X equal to 0 to root over 1 minus y square. 1 minus y square dy. You will get this one. This is equal to y equal to 0 to 1. 0 to 1. 4y root over 1 minus y square. It will be 0. This dy. This is equal to y equal to 0 to 1. 4y root over 1 minus y square dy. 1 minus y square dy. Now see, put here, if you put here 1 minus y square equal to 1 minus y square is equal to suppose v. This means minus twice y dy equal to dv. This means y dy equal to minus 1 by 2 dv. Y equal to 0 implies v equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 implies v equal to 0. You will get this one. This is equal to v equal to 1 to 0. 1 to 0. 4y. 4. Y dy means minus half dv and it will be root over v. Root over v dv. Root over v dv. Root over v dv. This is equal to 2 times of v equal to 0 to 1 v to the power half dv. This is equal to 2 times of v to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. 0 to 1, v equal to 0 to 1. This is equal to 4 by 3. 1 to the power 3 by 2 minus 0. This is equal to 4 by 3. The answer of the double integration is 4 by 3. 2 times of v to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, 4 by 3. Yes, it will be 4 by 3. Let us try to solve one more problem. This problem इसको ले लीजिएगा. पहले क्या है 0 to root over a square minus y square means x equal to this, y equal to this. This is equal to y equal to 0 to a. X equal to 0 to root over a square minus y square. A square minus y square. X, y, we are to treat y as constant. Root over a square minus y square. Treat it as constant. You may write it this whole square. Minus x square. Minus x square. Dx. And dy. You may write like this. This is equal to y equal to 0 to a. What is this? With respect to x, y as constant. root over a square minus x square. What is the integration of root over a square minus x square? Root over a square minus x square. X into root over a square minus x square divided by 2 plus a square by 2. A square by 2 means a square minus y square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Can I write like this? The integration is this. Root over a square minus y square. X equal to 0 to this. X into root over a square minus x square divided by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Sine inverse x by a. Now, if you put root over x equal to root over a square minus y square here, if you put root over a square minus x square here, it will be a square minus y square minus a square minus y square. It will be 0. If you put x equal to 0 here, it will be 0. Therefore, from first term, there will be no contribution. All terms will be 0. All terms will be equal to 0. This is equal to x. This is equal to y equal to 0 to a. It will be 0 minus 0. No contribution from this term. Plus a square minus y square divided by 2. Sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0. It will be sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0. Sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0. dy. This is equal to y equal to 0 to a square minus y square divided by 2. It will be pi by 2 minus 0. Pi by 2 minus 0 dy. This is equal to pi by 4. It will be a square y minus y cube by 3. 0 to a. Y equal to 0 to a. Y equal to 0 to a. Y this is equal to 0 to a. Now, you see here. This is equal to pi by 4. If you put y equal to 0, it will be 0. If you put y is equal to a, you will get a cube minus a cube by 3. A cube minus a cube by 3. This is equal to pi by 4 into 2 by 3 a cube. 2 by 3 a cube. This is equal to pi by 6 a cube. Pi by 6 a cube. You will get pi by 6 a cube. Pi by 6 cube. This will be the answer of the double integration. This will be the answer of this double. Let us take the next problem. Let us take this problem. Here, this is equal to. It will be, this is y. Y equal to 0 to a. X equal to 0 to root over a square minus y square. You are integrating with respect to x, treating y as constant. Therefore, you should put like that. This dx and dy. Dx and dy. This is equal to y equal to 0 to a. With respect to x, integrate. You will get a square minus y square into x minus x cube by 3. Minus x cube by 3. X equal to 0 to root over a square minus y square. 0 to root over a square minus y square. This is equal to y equal to 0 to a. With respect to, now put x is equal to root over a square minus y square. If you put x is equal to 0, this term will be equal to 0, this term will be equal to 0. Put x equal to root over a square minus y square. Then you will get a square minus y square into root over a square minus y square, means this 3 by 2 minus, here also a square minus y square whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 dy. You will get this one. This is equal to y equal to 0 to a 1 minus 1 by 3 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 a square minus y square whole to the power 3 by 2 whole to the power 2 3 by 2 dy. This is equal to 2 by 3 integral y equal to 0 to a square minus y square whole to the power 3 by 2 dy. Suppose this is I equal to this. Suppose this is number 1. We are to find this integral. Lastly, we are to find this integral. Now, you see, to evaluate this integral, now to evaluate this integral, put y equal to a sin theta. This means dy equal to a cos theta d theta. Y equal to 0 means y is equal to 0 means theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0. Y equal to a. This means put y is equal to a here. Theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta will be pi by 2. Now, therefore, from 1, this one implies this integral will be equal to 2 by 3 integral theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2. And a square minus y square means a square sin square theta. A square sin square theta whole to the power 3 by 2. Whole to the power 3 by 2. For dy, put a cos theta d theta. For dy, put a cos theta d theta. Now, a cos theta d theta. Now, this is equal to 2 by 3 a square common a square whole to the power 3 by 2. A square whole to the power 3 by 2 means a cube. Another a is there. Theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2. 1 minus sin square theta whole to the power 3 by 2. This means it will be cos cube theta. 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta whole to the power 3 by 2 means cos cube theta into another cos theta d theta. This is equal to 2 by 3 a cube into a. Theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. Cos to the power 4 theta d theta. This is equal to 2 by 3 a to the power 4 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. This 3 will be cancelled. This 2 will be cancelled. This is equal to pi a to the power 4 divided by pi a to the power 4 divided by 8. Pi into a to the power 4 divided by 8. This is the answer of this question. Therefore, we have solved 4 problems. Let us try to solve this problem. Now, 0 to 2, 0 to this. Therefore, x equal to this. Therefore, x equal to 0 to 2. Y equal to 0 to root over twice x minus x square x dy and it is dx. This is equal to x equal to 0 to 2. Now x is constant. First integrate with respect to y. Treating x as constant. Therefore, you will get y equal to 0 to root over twice x minus x square dx. Twice x minus x square dx. This is equal to x equal to 0 to 2x root over twice x minus x square minus 0 this dx. Now from this you get 0 to x root x, take root x common, 2 minus x dx, you will get this one, 2 minus x dx. This is equal to x equal to 0 to 2 x to the power 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2, x to the power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 root over 2 minus x dx. 2 minus x dx. Now to solve, to integrate this one, just you will have to put x equal to twice, put x equal to twice sine square theta. Put this. This means dx equal to 4 sine theta cos theta d theta. X equal to 0, 0 implies theta equal to 0. X equal to 2 implies theta is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2. Therefore, you will get x equal to 0 to 2 twice sine square theta whole to the power 3 by 2. Twice sine square theta whole to the power 3 by 2. Root over 2 minus twice sine square theta. For dx, 4 sine theta cos theta d theta. 4 sine theta cos theta d theta. This is equal to 2 to the power 3 by 2. This is 2 to the power 3 by 2. 2 to the power 3 by 2. 2 to the power 3 by 2 into root 2 into another this 4, again this 4. From here root 2 is common. From here 4, 2 to the power 3 by 2 root 2 4 x equal to 0 to 2. It will be sine cube theta into, this will be a cos theta into sine theta cos theta d theta. Sine theta cos theta d theta. You will get this one, which is equal to, this is equal to which is equal to, this is equal to 2 to the power 3 by 2 means 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into root 2. 2 root 2 into root 2 means 4. 4 into 4, 16. X equal to 0 to 2. Sine to the power 4 theta into cos square theta d theta. Just use the reduction formula here. Then you will get 2 minus 1 divided by 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. X equal to 0 to 2 sine to the power 4 theta d theta. 4 theta d theta. What we have applied here? Suppose I am n equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. This will be 0 to pi by 2. You write here it will be 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Here this 0 to pi by 2. You see x is equal to 2 means theta is equal to pi by 2. Sine to the power mx cos to the power nx. This is equal to m minus 1 by m plus n. I am n minus 2. Just apply this. Just apply this one. Now x is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Sine to the power 4 theta cos square theta. Now here m is equal to 4, n is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 divided by 4 plus 2. I4 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 means cos theta whole to the power 0. What is cos theta whole to the power 0? Cos theta whole to the power 0 equal to 1. Therefore, you will get this one. Now, this is equal to 16 into 1 by, it will be 6. 6. It will be 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 4, 2, 8, 16. This 16 will be cancelled. 3, 3. It will be 2. This is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, answer of this question is only pi by 2. This is pi by 2. Dear students, today we have solved 5 problems on definite integrals. In the next class, we shall solve some more problems. Thanks for attending the class. Thank you very much. Thank you.